Hey, how's it going everybody? Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to get the Nozbe task manager working on your Linux PC. So to start off, you're going to want to go to this website here. Also check the link in the description, as installing this on Linux isn't exactly easy. They don't have a downloadable package installer like a traditional Ubuntu package or whatever. Instead, if you're going to get it working, you need to use their tar script and all of that. So to get started, open up a terminal, and you're going to want to, one second, I'll have to zoom in for you guys. You're going to want to use the wget tool to download everything. So we're going to need to use wget, and we also need to add on this label here because it's going to redirect through this and it needs to be able to save it as a tar package. So once that's downloaded, we can extract it with the tar command, and this will reveal a readme, an uninstall, and a install. So to start the installation, all you need to do is do /downloader. Now that's going to give you a little GUI here. It's going to show you the logo. It's going to tell you exactly where these files are going to go, and you just need to press the enter key to agree to their terms. It's going to download everything that you need to get it working. And it's quite quick actually. The files aren't really that big, so just a quick download. Once it's downloaded, it extracts it, and then you can do the following and you can start up the app. Now I should say Nozbe isn't free. There's a free version, but they generally want you to pay for it. This is for teams and collaboration. So if you're in need of a good team task management type thing, you can log in and check it out. You can also try the free version, which I have used. I've been dabbling with other task managers lately, and I'm happy with what I use, but I've definitely been looking at this one because it has a nice Linux app. So to start off, I would generally recommend using your Google account. It's just quicker, and this will open up a new tab here, and you can quickly log in, and then you can add your tasks, and you can add tasks just by clicking the add task button, and we cover more of this in the description. But thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Just a quick little tutorial on how to get the Nozbe app working on Linux.